Replacing the key fob battery on a 2013-2019 Ford Flex is straightforward. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or coin and a new CR232 3-volt lithium battery. Ensure your vehicle is off and keys are out to avoid accidental activation. Gently pry open the key fob casing by inserting the screwdriver or coin into the slot and twisting. Take note of how the fob separates, as it may have clips. Remove the old battery, observing the polarity. The positive side should be up. Insert the new CR232 battery in the correct orientation with the positive side up. Snap the fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob to confirm it's working by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, check for corroded contacts or damaged buttons. This might require professional help and reprogramming at a Ford dealer using an IDS scanner. If your Ford Flex key fob still isn't working after battery replacement, first check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean the contacts gently if you find any corrosion. Ensure the new CR232 battery is a name brand option like Panasonic for better longevity. If the fob was exposed to moisture, let it dry completely before reassembling. If issues persist, reprogramming at a Ford dealership may be required, costing $50–100. To prevent future issues, avoid exposing the fob to extreme temperatures or humidity. Note that aftermarket rechargeable options are available, but not directly compatible with standard Ford Flex fobs. If you encounter recurring issues, consider a 3D printed battery holder to prevent future problems, as demonstrated by some Ford Flex owners. Regular checks for corrosion can also save on costly repairs.